Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the euro dollar did make a pretty sweet little push down, and I mean, if you're following along with my videos, you probably did catch a pretty nice little trade to the short side on this. Now, it does look to me like this is an uptrend, 5 waves up, like a wave A or maybe a wave 1. This to me looks like 3 waves down, possibly a wave B or maybe a wave 2. If it really is a wave 3, then it would go up and break structure, which would be great news for us, because that would prove that the daily time frame wave A or wave 1 to the downside is complete. But more than likely, this is probably going to be another ABC correction until proven otherwise. And for me, the break of structure is what will prove otherwise. This move up right here is probably more likely a wave C, which would probably go up to one of these two Fibonacci levels and then make another turn to the downside. The trend is definitely still down on the higher time frames, which means we should primarily still be looking for shorts, especially at the end of 3-way pullbacks. So unless it breaks structure to the upside, you have to realize that the trend is down and that you're still going to probably make way better money looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.